it's Brooke with WTI.
Are you looking to organize your lipsticks or your makeup in the bathroom? One thing that I use that keeps it nice, my lipsticks, is this organizer. This is by Amazing Abby, and it comes with a 2-pack. First off, I love how crystal clear and clean and pretty these acrylic lipstick holders are. They're sturdy and durable, shatterproof, so I can really use them on the regular and put them to work. I really like how they hold up my lipsticks, and they are 1 inches, these squares, and it's deep enough for me to really use it and it to do its job perfectly. This makes it pretty so I can have it on display. The organization makes it so nice to be able to use my chapsticks or makeup, the ones that I want to use, quickly. And this makes a big difference as far as the appearance of my makeup and how compact it is. So if you're looking for this kind of functionality, this absolutely is a must.
I love these, but that's just my point of view.